Number 5. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The ruler of executive sedans, Mercedes-Benz S-Class 2025. Powering it under the hood is 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 with EQ boost that is rated at 429 horsepower. The ride like floating on air thanks to its airmatic suspension. In car, you receive a 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen, Burmester 4D surround sound, and customizable ambient lighting in 64 shades. Price around 115k and worth every penny for those who want unmatched elegance. Number 4. Audi A8 L Horch. The ultra luxurious Audi A8 L Horch 2025 edition. This looks like a 3.0-liter V6 mild hybrid making 335 horsepower. It's not about speed with this car, it's about prestige and comfort. The rear seats, massaging heated, ventilated and with extended leg rest. The cabin features diamond stitched leather and genuine wood veneers starting at $160k US. It's a sedan built for those who like to be chauffeured in style. Number 3. BMW i7 M70. Coming in third is the all-electric marvel from BMW, the 2025 BMW i7 M70. With two electric motors, says 650 horsepower. It zooms from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. Range an impressive 295 miles on a single charge. Connection state and internal audit functional of the operation of the network connectivity, routers, server, NBC, OSS, latency and jitter of the network, add in merino leather and crystal control, and you will have a true futuristic and luxurious swivel chair. Price tag around 169k US. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Ghost Series 2nd. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost Series 2nd. It has a 6.7-liter twin-turbo V12 and 563 horsepower under its hood, as well as 100 kilograms of sound insulation, so it is as silent as whisper. The interior, a masterpiece starlight headliner, hand-stitched leather and push-button operated doors. Every detail is handcrafted in good wood inland. Expect to spend 350k US for this rolling piece of art. Number 1. Mercedes-Maybach S680. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S680. There is a twin-turbo V12 that produces 621 horsepower under the long, tasteful hood of this car. This is not simply power. That is a royalty bit on wheels. The cabin becomes a small first-class suite with reclining seats, cast messenger, silver-plated champagne flutes and refrigerator. At 235k, it's the ultimate combination of power, prestige and pampering. There you go then, the best 5 luxury sedans that are transforming the face of 2025. Which would be your take-home ownership when money was not an object? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more car content you won't want to miss.